Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna make a video on how we can easily download and install Java 15 on Windows 10. With that, we'll see how to run first program in Java. For that, let us first download Java 15. First of all, go to browser, then type Oracle Java, press enter. On pressing enter, you can see official website. Click on the website. Click on the website. We have reached the website. It's loading. We have reached the website. On the right here, you can see download Java is visible. Click on it. On clicking it, you can see Java SE download. This is the version we need to download. Click on JDK download. Now we have reached the download section. Go below. Here version are visible. The current version is 15.0.1. Here different versions are available for Linux, Mac as well as for Windows. So we want for Windows. Here it is for 64 bits window installer, right? It is 151.69 MB. Click on the exe file to download. On clicking, the following is visible. I'll accept. After that, download will click on the download JDK bin.exe file. After clicking on it, download will be start on the left bottom. I'll open on the download section. So I'll pause it because I have downloaded the same here. So now double click on it, or now I will double click on it to open it. Okay. It's loading, guys. I'll do yes. Now setup started. Yes. Okay, I'll do next. Then press again next. Here you can change destination. I'll do the C drives. I'll save in the C drive only. Okay, then next. Now installation has been started. Click on the next step to access tutorials, right? If you want to access tutorials and more to help you to get started with JDK, then click on the next. Otherwise, close. Now I will close it. So guys, let us now verify that we have correctly installed or not. Go to search bar, type cmd on pressing it, run as administrator, then type command Java version. Typing it, press enter. You can see that Java SE runtime environment build version is. That means that we have successfully installed Java. So guys, it was our thank you.